Hello everyone and welcome into yet another live stream. And I'm hungry. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a bit peckish, feeling a bit. But there's a stream to make. So wait, because today is important. Today is an important one. Today we're making a new corner maker. There we go. And music. There. There's a second one. This time we got votes from Tefta, or suggestions, I suppose, from Tefta and Kuand, but we have not gotten one from Ali or Useless or I don't remember the another one because they just gave me money on Patreon, which I appreciate, but they didn't join Discord. I created a special message group on Patreon just in case they wanted to say something, but they didn't use it at all. So I'm really thankful. I just feel bad that I'm not really giving them anything. But the point is, today we'll be making a 3D make it. Let's call it corner 5455. Yes, that's the corner. Now, hi the KMU. Hi, welcome. The two suggestions we have gotten for today from Tefta and Kuand are lab coat, a suit, I'm making model. Yes, I am for the corner. We are switching up this one. This one, we basically do it every 10 days. Well, we've done it only once, but this is the second time we're doing this. And the plan is to do it every 10 days to switch up the corner make it. So, and the patrons get to decide what the new corner make it will look like. That's the rule. This is the render for a new video. This no, this is for the streams. This is for the streams for the corner. Although I am making a render for the new video in the background. There, you have a sneak peek now. You're welcome. Wow, what an exclusive. The point is, we've gotten two suggestions. One from Tefta, one from Kuand. The suggestions being a lab coat and a mad alchemist. So that's what we'll do today. Sneak peek. That's well done. That's the sneak peek. I'm gonna. I can't show you the whole thing. That'll give away too much. Oh, how nice! All of these are just connected. Sick. Which means we can just delete the hoodie, which is already festive. And now what we can do is we can just extend the thingamajig. That's the professional name, by the way. All of the fashion experts call it the thingamajig, which we can just drag it down. Actually, you know what? Let's drag it down like this. And let's increase it. No, that's awful. Because of its eventual origins, we need it to be around median. No, we need it to be around the median point. Okay, there. That's first of all, that's already much better. Base concept sneak peek. That's right here, the bottom. This one. That's the video as a sneak peek. As a render. I can't. I don't want to open it because. Well, I did just open it, didn't I? There. That's the sneak peek. I'm not a great blender. I genuinely thought right here would be written what video I'm working on because the file name doesn't matter. The point is, there we go. That's for the video I'm rendering at the moment. It's not the only video I'm working on. I'm working on a couple, but that's the one I'm rendering for. And now we can go back to 3D making, turning this into a lab coat, which honestly shouldn't be that hard. As far as I'm aware, we have the base color right here, which we can just go through hue saturation value, decrease the saturation, which already gives us this, and then increase the value. Wow, I'm good at this. Okay, wasn't hard at all. It's not the best lab coat though. We can improve it. That's a pretty good lab coat though. Okay. Texture paint. We're gonna texture paint it. We're gonna texture paint the sucker. Fortunately, this is this will be desaturated, which means we can mix the colors a bit more. Okay, so basically these lines, right? That's what we want to get rid of. We want to get rid of these lines because they are the ones that are screwing this up a bit. I'm getting rid of them on the other side. A bit smaller radius and a bit darker. There we go. Okay, this right here is good enough. And then at the bottom requires darker. Right here, first if. Now on the other side. Once we get rid of these lines, it should be... Also from the back. No, you know what? On the back, we might leave them. Lab coats do be having weird lines in the back. And like extreme, why walk on it? Because I want to. It's, I don't know. I want it to be right. Just in case, I'm collecting make-its. It's important to have a wide variety of finished make-its. Have a balanced make-it diet. As I mentioned, this will be desaturated, which means we can afford to screw up every now and then. And it won't be too awful. There we go. Okay, and now smear. A bit of a large radius. Now this one, soften. There we go. When I soften around a bit. Yeah, it won't look great. But as I mentioned, desaturation should help at least a tiny little bit. I just want to get rid of the lines. There. That should look awful enough, right? Let's see. Huh! It's changed absolutely nothing. The lines are still there. Oh, I think the lines are there. Wait, no, I have no clue. Did it change anything? Yes, it did. You can see the three colors we've used right here. The reason for why the lines are still there is because I'm pretty certain it would be the normal, right? Well, look at me, I'm so intelligent. It is normal. And normal makes it look so much more like a jacket. Should I remove normal? It looks like more of a lab coat than normal. Yeah, fine, there we go. That was quick. I was expecting this to take much longer than 10 minutes. Oh, no, 10, it's like 5 minutes. Okay, well, that was quick. Which means now we need to walk on the second one, for which is even easier. So I guess I'll just add a lot of fun stuff to it. It's so easy. Which is for Kuant. It's alchemist. Make it into an alchemist. A mad alchemist, mad science sort of guy. So let me just pick the thing. There we go. Here we have a thumbnail, and for the video, the chemistry video. And so right here we have a lot of chemistry things just lying around. I don't know the render is gonna take a bit. I do wanna copy them and just one by one add them right here. There we go, just one by one, keep adding them. Oh yeah, I forgot I dropped inside something to glow. Well, I can do that too. I don't know how much glassware we'll need to actually make this look solid. So I'm just gonna copy a fair bit. There we go. Alright. Ellie, what's happening? We're making a new 3D make it. A new 3D make it for the corner down there. And yeah, Tefta selected a lab coat make it, and so we kind of already added the lab coat. It wasn't difficult. It really wasn't. Turning the jacket into a lab coat was so much easier than I was expecting. It just like that. And then the second one, which it was Kuan's request, was to make it into a mad scientist. So what we're gonna do right now is we are actually going to replace coffee with this. There we go. We're actually gonna replace the cup of coffee with just a random chemical. And then we're going to delete this cup, might as well. And then we're going to parent this to a bone, which is, I'm pretty certain it's this bone, I think. I'm pretty certain that's what we were parented to last time. And now, if we switch back, okay, so it's 8 and 9. We switch back to 8. We have a resting make it, which will look like this, and 9 will look like this. Now, for this one, I do like the idea of this glowing. You know, I'm a huge fan of the idea of this glowing. Let's increase the value, saturation, hue. Let's make this yellow, and then like let's juice it up like 5, like 3, or maybe even 5. You know what? I wouldn't mind a 5. There we go. Oh wait, it's surprisingly yellow. Is it because of the? Normally they end up just being white, but I'm assuming it's because this is white. No, why is this so yellow? Normally when I add the... Oh, it probably is because inside of a glass. That's probably why. It'll also take longer to render inside the glass. The point is, we've got this, yes. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the copy splash and switch it to a yellow liquid. And we're just gonna be splashing yellow liquid everywhere whenever we speak. Yeah, this is a bit much. There we go, hold on. I wanna do it right. So we basically have a liquid going like this. There we go. Parented to the flask. And then... What happened to my hand? Whoa! Whoa, that's it. Sure, what happened there? This doesn't look healthy at all. Oh, wow, that looks painful. What happened? Okay, so my hand is actually... It's not normal. What happened? What happened? Why is it... What? When? Whom? My net is so sucky today, don't worry, you're not... I mean, wait, hold on, I'm thinking, why? Why? Just straight up why? Am I supposed to pop my fingers back in? There, I just dislocated my fingies. You know how it is, sometimes dislocate it. There, it's a patch. No, it's not much better. You know how it is. You just dislocate your fingers. You just... Okay, well. Let's fix it one by one, shall we? So we're gonna first start the pinky. Bring it closer. Then on the location rotation, and then we're going to move this a bit lower down. And then we're going to fix the thumb because it's a bit... This doesn't feel right. Let's see. Okay. Actually, decrease the beaker's diameter. No, it's a big beaker for a big boy. Okay, actually this doesn't look too awful. But I will add more. Because we do have more. So what I would love to add, honestly, is like a floating array of glassware behind me. Like a true mad scientist, you know, style. I could add like a belt. Like could add like a belt where I have them. But I like the idea of them floating up as I speak. I don't know, I just like the idea. I'm gonna decrease this in size. Put it right here. And then them glowing brighter. When they're up, okay. There we go. And so we're also going to set all of the strengths, set in value, and then on... I love how I'm splashing myself with chemicals there. And on 8, we're gonna have them at 0. There. Neat. Frame by frame to make hour-long video. But at this point, you are as patient as a monk. I don't do it frame by frame. I do it movement by movement. So sometimes it's more than 1 frame. Sometimes I get 200. Sometimes I have to do it 1 by 1. There are moments where I have to, but how about flames in the background? You assistants trying to put it out. No, that would be like a wild scientist. Right here, we're going for a mad alchemist. So you know, just absolutely bonkers. So like flying glassware would be normal. I have flying glassware and prone too. And now as I tend to speak, they all just glow and... Wait, why aren't these moving? Oh, did I forget to set a frame for them? Location, rotation... There we go. I like this. This is fun. Okay. Then you right here, we want you to be even lower. And then we want you to be even higher. Oh, I really do like this. But now this isn't mad enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is cool and all, but it's not really mad. So what we're gonna add is, first of all, we're gonna change the rest position. Hi, this groove, welcome. We're gonna change the rest position, because I don't really like the rest position of this hand. I think it could be better. There we go. And then this one... Oh, maybe this is good. There we go. I'll have the rest position look like this. Just a minor change, very minor. And then when I speak up, they all float up, which I like. Imagine those glasses would fulminate. I don't know what fulminate is. Haven't gone that far. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out which one of these is a mask. Not this one. Let me guess. Material 1. Wow. There. So now for the mask, what we're gonna do is we're going to color it in a very specific way. We're going to do an image texture right here, which we're gonna set to base color, and it's going to be a new one, which is going to be mask. It's going to be white. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna go into texture paint and color away. We basically want to blow up, make it. That's what we want to do. A little bit. A little bit. You know, the little blow up thingy. Okay. Not soften paint. And not this color, only black. Is it not abrupt? I think it's not abrupt. There we go. Now we can just... Oh, hold on, we need to color on this one because the other one's getting in. Background, hi there, hello maker, just hoping to tell you you keep making sunshine. Now I gotta do computer science. Well, thank you, I will. The mag Walter Ryan used to blast Tuco's office. Mag and the grind, yeah. Good for Mag. No, which one is it? One of them is inside. Okay, it's this one. Neat. So, it's always upside down. How swell. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the radius, decrease the strength, and then just... like this. And then decrease the radius, increase the strength, and decrease the strength a bit. Decrease the strength a bit more, maybe just decrease the strength all the way. A lot of marks blowing up. Sick. And now into shading. And a good tip I would really recommend is that the best way to actually, if you want to do it in a subtle manner, right? So subtle explosion marks, for example. If you want to do it in a manner which is actually subtle, then decrease the importance of the thing which you colored in as much as possible. So, you know, make it like barely visible. And then use the actual mask for something like metallic. Or roughness, actually. And inverse. And that way, even if this is barely visible right here, it will be visible right here. Also, inverse for metallic? No, straight up for metallic. No, inverse for metallic, yes. There we go. See, and now even if it's not visible, or barely visible, it's still crazy visible. Now increase the value of this one. Make it white. Actually, maybe 100. Yes, 100, okay. And just for this one, decrease it a bit. Like a subtle. There we go! That's festive. We're done. Alright. Now for this color, I will also like to do the glowy thing. There we go. And now what? Oh, let's do this. Yeah, it's like, you know, when you blow stuff up, this stuff tends to stick. Don't ask me how I know it. It's with one story. The point is, we're actually kind of done. This is easy. This is a really easy one. No, this really is an easy one, because the one last thing I would do in this case is just add a cylinder, decrease in size as much as possible, and just do it as this one, do some volume. For that nice little glow. And then shading, we're gonna have I think colors are strong enough. I think right here it should be higher, it should be like 7. There we go. I honestly kind of like it. As a video about all parts of computer, sorry mate, gotta go. Watch it right now. Yeah. You mean like Mark should go watch it? You mean like you're going to watch it? Either way. Yeah, if you're going to watch it, have fun. I like that video a lot. Well, not a lot, but I think it's a decent video. That's kind of it. I feel like we're done. So right here, we're gonna take this yellow liquid. We're gonna turn it off. It's the expressive, explosive. Haha, I'm funny. Oh, where's that liquid domain? Oh, damn it. Where is it? Where's this one? Where is it? Okay, you know what? We're just gonna have... No, wait, we can't have that. Oh, where's the liquid domain? There we go, that's where it is. I'm gonna turn it off for this render. Gonna have science make it. I don't like this cutoff though. It's pretty annoying. Try to get rid of the cutoff you get at the end of volumes. I think this could be a good way to do it actually. In this case. Yeah, I feel like in this case this could work. Just gradually doing the geometry. Normally I have to do it with geometry. Normally I have to do the shading, which is a much more annoying process. Well, not much more annoying, but a tad more annoying at least. And I still might need to do it with geometry. Or maybe I won't. Okay. Right here, render. Let's see. 32 samples, that's not a lot. This is the final render. What do you mean 32? Looks like a 5-year-old rendered it. 4096! There. Now that's a render. This is gonna be, look, this is gonna, yeah, we have glass. We have glowing glass texture inside of glass inside of a volume. 4000 at least. That was quick. 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, well, to be fair, it's not a difficult model. Wasn't that hard. I like the aura of smoke around to make it. It really adds to the... Hold on, let me just check something real quick. My Windows, not Discord, Windows glitching. Stereotypical. Well, that's how I take it. That's how I took that advice. Like, it's for me glowing floating glassware. It's about us. Hold on, 445. No, 455. There we go. And these are named active, passive. All right. So this is passive. This is passive PNG with alpha. Very important. And then we're gonna have the next one, which will be the active one. Looks like this. Not gonna lie, this is my favorite one so far. In my book, this beats 3D Make It. Yeah, in my book, this really beats 3D Make It. Oh, I'm gonna make a poll later on about which 3D Make It is best. And yeah, it's obvious. Make It Alchemist gonna win. Mad Alchemist Make It. Yeah. Oh, it looks pretty good. I like it. This was a short stream. I am hungry though. I haven't eaten anything. I was eager to stream. I wanted to make it. I wanted to make it. Make it. I'm gonna make it happen. Yeah, this one will take a bit longer to render. I'm guessing because of this. Right here. Nuclear explosion, how lovely. This time we won't have a bright thing in the background. We'll just have a bit of an awkward make it. There. Dark lights. Oh, but this does look good. Right here, unlike this side, I really don't. But make it will be in the corner, so it will be kind of way. At least I hope so. I'm a huge fan of glowing floating glassware though. Every single time my glassware starts to glow and float, I just... Oh, that's a good day in my book. I want to switch to American streaming times though, relatively American. I want to switch to early American streaming times because those are the times when both you... Which means that I might do a live stream in... about 10 hours. In about 10 hours, I might do a stream. Because I want to switch to early American, late European times. Yeah, 3D animating ain't that hard. It's pretty easy, most of it. You can just set up like this and there. Lovely render. Now let's see how it looks in the corner. Oh, that's good. Hold on. No, canonically, Lumberjack make it this larger. Mad Scientist make it. And that's canon. I like the idea of one day just having, 10 different make-its to choose from. That'd be very fun. Oh, in the beginning of each live stream, could even have a vote on which make-it we'll be streaming today. I'll have to get the voice changer for the Lumberjack make-it. Or Makita, sorry. Her name is Makita. Right. This is Alchemist make-it. Mad Alchemist. That's the full name. Alchemist to his friends. And we also have 3D make-it, which is the OG classic. Okay, so by the way, this did nothing. Yeah, we texture painted it did absolutely nothing. I don't know, texture painting is a bit funky in Blender. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. It's a bit weird. Ah, that's pretty good, make it. There we go, rendered. Hide slime. Active. PNG with alpha. Alrighty then. You all ready? Because I'm not. Right as I said it, I screwed up my entire setup. What's up? We're making a make it. We made a make it. We just made gun and bloody done a make it. You'll see. Give me a second. Look in. Log into Discord. There we go. And the new one, which will be 455. Speaking image will be, and you can't see it. I'm changing the make it's now. Corner will have an active image. There we go. Are you all ready? My friend recommended I watch you. Oh no, well then that puts a lot of pressure on me. Now I gotta be funny. I'm not a funny person. Oh, dagnabbit. Okay, you're ready. Let's switch to make it. And there. Oh, that's so massive. Okay. I forgot the previous make it was rendered to be in the corner. Make it corner. Let's put you back in there. Oh, yeah. Ah, lovely. I just like watching Blender stuff. Well then, I think it's just kind of awkward. Joining a pretty awkward time because we just finished with Blender. I mean, I can do some more Blender things if you want. I have an animation to work on. Not for me, but for a video of a fellow YouTuber I'm collaborating with at the moment. And so, I really like him, and I'm pretty new to it. Blender is easy. It's overwhelming, because there's everything in it, but it's not that hard. Okay, hold on. Where's the... It's in... Ah... There we go. There, we can animate this one. So, in order to animate this one, sorry for switching on and off, but Windows is really not liking what I'm doing at the moment. Hi, the Sleepy. Can you make a rainbow stuff in Blender? Just wondering. Yeah, I can. What kind? What's your poison, stranger? What kind of rainbow? We can have a right here. We can have base color. We can do texture coordinates. We can take the object. We can separate it into X, Y, Z. We can take the X base color to check. No, Y the base color to check. Well, that's not gonna give me much actually. Oh wait, that's because I'm doing the wrong one. Whoops. I meant this texture. We can take the texture coordinate. We can take the object. We can separate into XYZ. We can take the XYZ. We can do emission as X. There we go. We know that X is going this way. Y is going up. So we can take this. We can plop it into hue saturation value as hue. Set this to be red with all of them on. There, 3. And there we go. Technically a rainbow. Just RGB. Well, then if you want a specific kind, we can also have color. Unless you mean like RGB as in red, because this technically is. Your investment. Thank you. I am awesome. I mean, thanks. Changing color. That's also possible. You can then, in order, if you want to change color, you can just take the value, put it right here, and then with this you can control how it's changing. You would obviously want math divide in between. It will change more gradually, and then you just animate. So you just add a keyframe, add another keyframe, and then it's changing colors. Magic, witchcraft. That's how I do it. No, that's the easiest way. If you want to do it differently, you can always take this value and you can take a color ramp right here, and you can set specific colors. So, for example, if you only want blue and green and pink. But then also another thing is you want to wrap back around to the origin, which means you would like to add a sign right here, for example. And then if we go through this again, you can see it's going pink to blue to green. It's only alternating between pink and green. I guess I should reduce this a little bit more visible. Back. Who's eating food? Well, we finished to make it. Add metallic to texture. Any specific metallic, or just like increase it? I mean, I can do this. There, it's metallic now. Increase. There. The metallic just changes how much of the base color. How much the base color affects reflections. What's going on? I'm making Blender stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. So roughness basically just tells you how much the light gets, how much the reflection gets kind of averaged over a surface, and metallic tells you how much the base color affects the reflection. Is that signboard? I don't know what signboard is. I'm not hip with the kids. This is a circuit. Well, it's supposed to be a circuit. It's supposed to represent like a flow of electrons in a circuit. I get the question. Should. Go right ahead. Modeler for VR games. That's cool. That's really cool. Music. YouTube. Walk with me here. Buddy, you'll pay me money. I want to make custom badges, not just I deal with text. Yep. I mean, graphic design is the most important in this case, because the most difficult thing about making stuff like badges and whatnot is the creativity, which I lack. So, like, if you have a badge, let's just say, I mean, unless I'm misunderstanding what kind of badge you mean. What kind of badge could it be? I'm not great with creative thinking. We can add a image as plain as a reference. You know, I should probably wait till you ask the question actually before I try to answer. Gorilla Tag? I'm gonna make ones like those. Gorilla Tag. I know the game. One of them gorillas they're chasing it, right? Gorilla Tag badges. I don't know. Let's see. You mean like this with these ones? Oh. You mean like stuff like these? Oh, well that's not actually that difficult. You just, well, I'll do something different. I'll do a more... I'm not great with... okay, I know how to make this model, which is gonna be annoying. We're going to... modify first. Mirror. Just to make the whole process a bit easier. I'm gonna switch up the design. Actually, can we switch up design? We can a bit, okay. So we're going to have negative. It's 4 cases, okay. And then we're going to bevel this one. I said we're going to bevel this one. I said we're going to bevel this one. It's going to work on the first try and I won't have to repeat myself over and over. Okay. Or maybe bevel this one? Oh, that might be better actually. No, because I want this to be... let me think. What would be the best way to approach this? I'm thinking to save time and wasting time in the process. It's a real conundrum I found myself in. If we divide these two, like so, if we then delete these vertices, if we then bevel these out on this edge, then nothing's gonna happen. The reason why nothing's gonna happen is because I'm assuming geometry is screwed up. And so now we bevel, it all works out well. So we bevel all of them at once, but this was gonna give us a 4. We don't want a 4. What we want is we want a 6, which means we need... I watched your stream yesterday. It was not able to chat. Just when stream my girlfriend this was came to our house, visited, but started teaching me. Oh, that is so cool. What did he teach you about? That sounds really cool. Hours of coaching classes. Got no rest. Well, you know, depends. I mean, a lesson for free has to come for something, right? Maxwell's equations, Ampere's law. Ah, that's cool. You spin for that? Yeah, I was trying to. I'm just thinking if that looks good enough as base. There's a smart way to combine these, by the way. That smart way being, first of all, applying mirror everywhere. And then instead of joining them together like a noob would do, we're gonna be professional and we're gonna use a boolean because we are professional. Apply. Oh wow, that fixed absolutely nothing. Fast. intersect. Oh, well, that's what I get for being professional, I suppose. This is literally just joining them together. But well, you know what? If that's the case, then we might as well join them together. Or we might as well bring them higher up ever so slightly and higher up ever so slightly, because no one will actually mind. Just that would be an equipping. 3 badges in Gorilla Tag. 3 badges in Gorilla Tag. Stuff like these. I mean, this isn't really hard to do. This is mostly from like a graphical point of view. So this is the most difficult thing about this is the graphical design aspect, which requires creativity, something I do not have plenty of. So this is not my forte, because then you just take the you just design it in 2 dimensions and then you just extrude, as you can see, based on the brightness. So alright. Did I change anything up? I did change up the color. Oops. There. Much better. I'm less about game modeling, I'm more about cinematic modeling. It's easier because you don't have to worry about performance all that much. You can just do things and then you end up with a render which will take 3 days to finish, but you don't care. It's cinematic rendering. It's easy, my point being. I really like the make it we done today, you know? I really like it. Can I have tips? What kinds of tips? Because if you do game dev modeling, this is about as far as it gets from what I do. I do cinematic modeling, which basically, well, not modeling, I do cinematic 3D in general, CGI. So modeling, texturing, rendering, animating, all of those, basically the whole thing. And so for me, I really like to sacrifice performance for nice looking renders. Like for example, when it comes to the maker you see in the corner, right? This little guy that we've done today, you can see that the reflections, for example, on the make him look pretty, just straight up. The downside being that these reflections look pretty because make it is in a mess of a volume, and this volume is refracting the light in a nice way to create this sort of nice looking light thing. And so the thing is, it looks really nice and all, but it took additional minutes to render a single frame because of this volume. And so for game development, it's quite the opposite. For game development, you do want it to look nice, but the main thing you're going for is it being quick. You want all of the models to be quick, you want all of them to be as small as possible, and you will really often sacrifice the looks for the speeds. So I don't really have that many tips to give you. The only tips I will have is like, just do more modeling eventually to get there. Yeah. Anyhow, I'm gonna go now. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go and eat something. There we go. 3D make it. 3D corner make it. Scientist Mud Alchemist. Alright, so for now be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching. And have a great day. Bye.